ready with me to clean this mess. Wait, papakita ko. Wait. Wala kasi itong zoom. Aperture lang ang meron. Kaya, yeah. It's quite messy, really. Nakakalat ng kapatid ko. It's then my mess. Wait. Hi, so basically, I'm not sure if nakafocus though. I can see it, but not clearly.
Ka bang sabihin at di mapakali na hindi mag-atingin? Sana'y huwag mo na tong palipasin at subukan utasin sa mga sinabi mo na ibang nararapat sa akin na tunay kong ipakita, abot langit ang daing sa mga sinabi mong na ibang nararapat sa akin na tunay kong mamahalin. Wag na wag mong sasabihin na hindi mo nadama ito. Pag-ibig kong handang ibigay kahit pagkalayaan ko. At sa gabi, sinong tuluyan sa'yo? At sa umaga, ang hangin na haplos sa'yo. Wag na wag mong sasabihin na hindi mo nadama ito. Pag-ibig kong handang ibigay kahit pagkalayaan mo.
Okay, while cleaning that shit, I realized something. Hindi ako makasalita. I have a blister on my tongue. Bangin pa naman yung tripod. While cleaning that, I fucking realized, oh my god, wait. I realized I lost my sense of organization. As a student, as a firstborn, what the fuck? Ngayong dati, I would go all in. Like, kahit na it's messy, I would do my best to like fix it. Kasi, duh, I want it all clean. Tapos just looking at my surroundings. How did I let it get this messy? It's kasi I was not bothered by the mess at all na. Why is it like that? Anyways. But girl! I'm not doing my everything to keep it clean. Alam mo yung, I'm supposed to change the paper beneath it kasi it's dirty. Duh! It's old. Tapos ayoko. Siguro it's my environment. Kasi I used to do organizations. Kahit na it's not my mess, I clean it up. Pero siguro, same ito sa environment. Pero for real. It's kasi, siguro I was tired of cleaning up after everyone's mess. Kasi ang gulo nila doon sa school. Ano nag-run? Anyways, basta ka, Jai. I cannot speak. Because every time I do my part, this girl, a friend of course, sabi niya, ba't may inaayos? Ako yung isim-sim pa. Wala na dito isim pa da. Kan ka ba mo uma? Oh God. Okay, I follow her. Kasi why not? Tapos yun, ba't ako nasanay? Siguro, that's one thing I need to gain back in this vacation. My sense of organization. Kasi, oh my God! Ang gulo! And I need it organized. ASAP. Look at this shit. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Wait, hindi niyo makikita pero what the fuck? Ayan. Hindi siya mag-focus. Yan. Lahat ng yan, laman ng cabinet ng adding ko. So, I need to fix it. That's the second cabinet. And hindi pa patapos. I'm not yet done organizing these, that, these, and those. As a matter of fact, hindi ko patapos yung kwarto. Siguro, I just need a little bit of rest before I get back to actually cleaning. Like, babalik sa akin yung sense of organization ko after I get that much needed rest, you know? I cannot rest if it's this messy. So yeah, first of all, we're gonna organize as best as we can. Napag-mas kalooban ko na I'll do this haphazardly. Pero it needs to get done, so... Oh my God! See you. Oh my God. You know the walls are thin in this house. It's thin. Paper thin. Kaya I'm trying to keep my voice down. And as much as possible, I'm not talking. Because from the outside, they're gonna say, sino kausap nito? Mag-isa lang naman to sa bahay. Sabihin pa ka ng baliw po tayo na. Okay, taga! Ang hirap to mag-focus. Ayan. Bye. See you. Siguro pag in-edit ko na to, makikringe ako. Ako? Putang ina. Pero for real, pag in-edit ko na to, makikringe ako. How much more sa mga nanonood? Wow, may manonood kayo. Yun ba? Look at that eyebags, bro. Binugbog ako ng fourth quarter. Okay na. I will show you my May recap soon. You will see how nabubulo ko ng May. Char! Pero yun, dulot na ng fourth quarter. You know, I ignored my friends for this. Research, kaskada, oh my God. I don't like it. Tas round 2 na naman, pagdatang ng grade 12. Speaking about grade 12, hindi ko kinuha yung card ko. You know, I got lazy. And I fell asleep. Tapos parang, it is what it is. Tapos hindi na ako nakapunta ng school. Para kunin yung card ko. Anyways, Yun na nga, putang ina, ayaw talaga mag-focus. Yan. Ayun na nga, I should get back to cleaning. Pero I'm hungry. Pero you know, I really know what to eat. And plus, I'm satisfied with this shit. So, I'm gonna finish this cabinet. Tapos kain.